Okay, today we're going to learn how to take the inked lines from a scan and make them cleaner using levels and different filters. To start off with, you have your original scan here. As you can see, if I zoom in, oops, I got the wrong thing going. I'm going to use the, don't crop, I'm going to use the magnifying glass here. You can see that the inked lines even show up. Make sure that you scan this in at 300 dpi in the scanner itself. Go into WIA support. Make sure that you adjust the levels of the scanned drawing to 300 pixels per inch, because when you don't do that, you don't get that really crisping line. Anyway, these are the black ink lines. It's still, you got purples, greens, reds, blues, all types of stuff, and it's kind of a light gray. That's not what we want. So I'm going to go to the adjustments layer over here. I'm going to add an adjustment layer to this. I don't want to destroy the original. I always keep the original. So I'm going to make sure, if you can't see that, go to Reset Essentials. All right, make sure that your adjustment layers are up here. Mine may be a little bit different than yours. Go to Levels, all right, and you're going to be moving the sliders around. As I move the black slider, it really increases the amount of black in there. Say this is one of the circles that I drew. And then I'm going to be moving the white slider at the very edge to get rid of you can see the texture of the paper itself. I'm reducing that by bringing the white all the way over. If I need to adjust the gray a little bit, that's fine. I increase the gray a bit more. And now you can see I've got the black pixels, which is what I wanted, but I've also got some light blues and some reds. I don't want those, so I'm also going to add a black and white layer on top of there. Here's another black and white adjustment layer on top of that, and you'll see it's all just grays and blacks now. If you want to increase or decrease the amount of blues or reds, I know that they were present in there as well. You can change that up, but now it's just all black. That is a good, clean, solid ink outline that I would like to isolate. From here, I'm going to go select the adjustment layer all the way down, holding Shift, the original scan, duplicate these layers, and then merge them all together. Right-click and then merge all the selected layers. This way, I still have these guys. I'm going to hold Shift, select them again, and put them into a layer group. These will be my originals. I always find it's best to have the originals available in case you have a problem later on. All right, I turn off the originals. Now I just have these ink lines available. What I do here is to further isolate just the ink outlines, I select part of the black. Then I go to, if I select that, you notice I miss anything that's not touching that black. So I have to go to Select, Similar, Select, and then Similar. Now I can see that I'm getting these other black circles and these other lines that were not touching the black lines that I did select. All right? Now I'm going to go to, I can do it two ways. I can just make a new layer. I can go to Copy and Paste. Copy and pastes those exact pixels. Or, if I was going to do this again, I can select the black, select Similar, and then go to another layer, and just go to, see, I've got the selection there. In this other layer, I can just go to Edit, Fill, with the contents being black. Or you can change it to another color. But this way, I have now got those edges to be pure black. Here again are the differences between the two things, okay? Choose your own adventure. At least I've got these outlines. I'm going to label it as outlines and save it.